Hello everyone, welcome to the session. In this session, we'll discuss questions asked in scholarship test which was conducted recently. Staff Selection Commission scholarship test. And in this scholarship test, particularly we are going to discuss about general intelligence and reasoning section of that mock test. So this section, the general intelligence and reasoning section, we are going to discuss, and this mock test is on the pattern of CGLE Tier 1, not Tier 2, Tier 1 pattern. Okay. So without wasting much time, let's discuss the questions. We have given 25 questions as exam pattern, as per the exam pattern. Question number 1, which is coding and decoding. In a certain code language, the sun is very bright. The sun is very bright is written as LNEKUBIKCEMQDMITNL. Now the question asked is, how will hunter be written in that language? Now if you look at in the word the, these two letters has changed, but this letter remains same. Even in the sun also, these two letters are changed, U remains same. Among these two letters are changed. I mean, this letter is changed, but this letter remains same. By looking at this, we can say that vowels are remained same. We can say that vowels remain same. Vowels remain same in each word. Here E remains same, and here I remains same. So vowels remain same. What about the consonants? Now, if you look at here, the T is coded as L. Now, if you look at here, T is coded as L. So wherever we have the T, we have the coded as what? L. Now here H is coded as N. Even here H is coded as N. So wherever H is there, that is coded as N correspondingly. They are coded correspondingly. T is coded as L, H is coded as N. Now here we have S. S is coded as K. Even here S is coded as K, correspondingly coded. N is coded as B. V is coded as C. R is coded as M. Even here R is coded as M. So wherever we have R is coded as M. Y is coded as Q. B is coded as D. Now apply the same logic to find the answer for the hunter. Code for H is N. Code for U is vowel will remain same. And what code for N? Code for N is B. And what is code for T? L. The code for T is L. Consonants are coded correspondingly. Vowel remains same. Vowel E remains same. What is the code for R? R is coded as M. So what will be my answer? NUBLEM. It is in choice 3. So my answer will be choice 3. Question number 2. Select the correct option that indicates the arrangement of the given words in the order in which they appear in the English dictionary. We know how to arrange the words in the dictionary order. Now, first we will be looking at the first letter. In all the cases, first letter is same. So we will be looking at the second letter. Even in all the cases, second letter is same. R E R E R E R E R E. So let's look at the third letter. Here we have the B, and here we have the P, A, and here we have the F. Here we have the B, and here we have the A. So definitely you can say that among the 3 and 6, one will come in the first position. But if you look at A and A, third letter same. Even the fourth letter is same, C and C. So we have to compare the fifth letter. Here we have the T, and here we have the H. So I can confirm that the first will be 6 and the second will be 3. 6, 3. So how many options are with 6, 3? Fourth option is ruled out. Next, among the remaining, so 3 and 6 are ruled out. Among the remaining, here we have the B and here we have the B. So again the fourth letter is same, U and U, and the fifth letter is Y, fifth letter is I. So among Y and I will come first. So 6, 3, 5, 1. So even 5 and 1 are ruled out. How many options are with 6, 3, 5, 1? Third option eliminated. Now, among these 2, 4 or 4 to order, we need to check. So repolish, refights. Definitely F will come first. So 4. And the remaining will be 2. So choice 2. 6, 3, 5, 1, 4, 2 is the order in which they appear in the dictionary. choice 2. Here we are not going to discuss any basics. Just we'll discuss the answer to the given question. 4 letter clusters have been given, out of which 3 are alike in some manner and 1 is different. Select the letter cluster that is different. So odd may not question. So let us try to identify the logic in the given letters. L, T, X, Z. Let's write the place values. L is 12, T is 20, X is 24, Z is 26. So what is the logic within a group? L to T, I can say that it is increased by 8. 12 and 20 increased by 8. So 20 to 24 increased by 4. 24 to 26 increased by 2. So plus 8 plus 4 plus 2. Yes, let's see. Now B place value is 2, J place value is 10, N place value is 14, P's place value is 16. So 2 to 10 increased by 8, 10 to 14 increased by 4, 14 to 16 increased by 2. So in both the cases the logic is same. Plus 8 plus 4 plus 2. Let's see here. T is 20, B can be written as 2 or 26, F is 6, H is 8. Let's see. 22, sorry, B is 28, 2 or 28. So 20 to 28, logic is plus 8, no change. Again, so it can be 28 or it can be 22 just. So 2 to 6 plus 4, so it is also same. And 6 to 8 plus 2. So in all these three cases, logic is same. Let's check with the last group. H is 8, P is 16, T is 20, W is 23. 8 to 16 plus 8, perfectly matching. 16 to 20 plus 4, nothing wrong in that. 20 to 23 plus 3. So everywhere it is following the logic of plus 8 plus 4 plus 2. But whereas here it is plus 8 plus 4 plus 3. So choice 4 is the odd one out. Choice 4. So already mark paper is available with you. If you want, you may take a screenshot, but I won't be giving much time to you to write. Just listen carefully. That is enough. 4 words have been given, out of which 3 are alike in some manner and 1 is different. Select the word that is different. So again, odd bin out question. So what is given here? Scurvy, chickenpox, rickets, beriberi. Now, see, to answer this question, you should have some general knowledge and you should be good at your vocabulary skills and you should be known about the things which happens in our regular life. So, except the chickenpox, remaining all are the diseases which caused by vitamin deficiency. Vitamin deficiency. These scurvy, rickets and beriberi are caused by vitamin deficiency, whereas chickenpox is not of that category. So your answer is choice 2. So you should be thorough. I may not help you in this kind of questions. These are general questions. Now see the next question. Read the given statements and conclusions carefully, assuming that the information in the statement is true, even it appears to be variance with commonly known facts. Decide which of the given conclusion logically follows from the statements. Syllogism questions. Let's see. So here are the statements and conclusions. Let's draw the basic diagram for the given statements. Draw the basic diagram for the given statements. Some boats are ships. And second one is all ships are water. So all these ships should be inside the water. Now what is the third statement? Some waters are ocean. So some waters are oceans. All oceans are rivers. So all these oceans should be inside the rivers. Now, what is given here? All boats cannot be rivers. All boats cannot be rivers. And what is the second conclusion is? All water cannot be rivers. All boats cannot be rivers. All water cannot be rivers. So, this statement can also be treated as some boats are not rivers. And or else, let us discuss directly. Can the all boats be inside the rivers? Just checking in that way. Can the all boats can be inside the rivers? Because what they mentioned, all boats cannot be rivers. Can the all boats can be inside the rivers? Is there anything wrong? Let's check it that. Boats are here and rivers are here, right? Now, can we draw the diagram like this? Boats are inside the rivers. This is what they are expecting. All boats cannot be rivers. So just I am trying to negate it. All boats cannot be rivers is same as some boats are not rivers. Some boats are not rivers is true. So the negative conclusion. To negate this, we have to draw the alternate diagram, and the complementary of this is all boats are rivers. Instead of saying in this way, like basic diagram, alternate diagram, just I am saying that they are saying all boats cannot be reversed. Can it be reversed? Check it that. If it can be reversed, this statement is wrong. If it cannot be reversed, this statement will be correct. Let's see. All boats are reversed. This is what they are asking. So try to prove this. Some boats are ships. Let us draw this. Some boats are ships. This is alternate. We don't have any restrictions. All ships are water. Oh, let's draw all ships are water. Okay, we have drawn. And earlier we have all oceans are rivers. Okay, let's draw the oceans here. This is oceans. Even all oceans are rivers. And we have one more link with the oceans and water. Some waters are oceans. Yes, all oceans are waters implies that some waters are oceans. So I am able to prove all boats are rivers. So when we are able to prove all boats are rivers, all boats cannot be rivers is false. Now similarly, all water cannot be rivers. All waters cannot be rivers. Now in this diagram, same. Let me draw the boats like this. Let me draw the ships, and all ships are water. Let me draw like this, and we have a statement, some waters are oceans. You may draw like this also, nothing wrong in that. Some waters are oceans, and all oceans are rivers. So all oceans should be inside the rivers. So you may draw like this, all oceans are rivers. So is it violating any of the statements? Check it. Some boats are ships. Yes, some boats are ships. All ships are water. Yes, all ships are inside the water. Some waters are oceans. Yes, when all waters are oceans, definitely some waters are oceans. All oceans are rivers. Yes, all oceans are inside the rivers. Simultaneously, what we are able to prove? All water are rivers. When all water are rivers, all water cannot be rivers. That conclusion will be false, because we are able to prove that all water can be reversed. So how can we make the statement cannot be? So it can be. So this statement, whatever the conclusion made by them, is false. So neither one nor two follows. Choice 3. Or else you may draw basic diagram and alternate diagram. Anyway, we have drawn the basic diagram. All water cannot be reversed is a negative conclusion. So the same statement can be treated as some water are not rivers. Some water are not rivers. So for this statement, the alternate diagram, the complementary pair is all water are river. The same we have proved here. All water are inside the river. So whether you will take complementary and alternate diagram, or you think normally by visualizing the things, that is your wish. Now select the option that is related to the third word in the same way. Second word is related to the first word. Second word is related to the first word in the same way. Third word is related to the which word? Russia, Moscow. Capital of Russia is Moscow. Similarly, Australia capital is Canberra. Choice 4. Okay, I move to the next question. Blood relations. Aadinath is the father of Gaurawi. Let us draw the family tree diagram. Aadinath is Aadinath is the father. So male. Let us make a symbol plus. Is the father of Gauravi. We don't know the gender of Gauravi. Okay. Aadinath has no siblings. Okay. Harinee has only 2 children, but we don't know what is the relation with this Aadinath or Gauravi. Let's move further. Anish is the son of Harinee. Harinee has only 2 children. Among them, one is whom? Anish. Anish is the brother of Gauravi. So Anish is the brother of Gauravi. So Anish is the male. Anish is the brother of Gaurawi. Earlier we have the point Anish is the son of Harinee. Anish is the son of Harinee. Gauravi is the child of Aadinath, and these two are siblings. So definitely we can say that Aadinath and Harinee are the couple, and Harinee is a female. We don't know the gender of Gauravi so far. Anish is the brother of Gauravi. Okay. Devesh is the brother-in-law of Aadinath. So Devesh is the brother-in-law. And we know very clearly Aadinath does not have siblings. So brother-in-law relationship should be what? Either should be from the spouse side or from the sibling side. So Aadinath does not have siblings, so it definitely has to be from the spouse side. So Aadinath's spouse is Harinee. So Harinee's brother is whom? Devesh. Devesh. So Devesh is a male, so that you can satisfy the relationship of brother-in-law. Now, what is the question asked? How is Devesh related to Anish? Mother's or brother? Mother's brother. Mother's brother will be whom? Uncle. So, choice 3. Horseful. Select the option in which the words share the same relationship as that shared by the given pair of words. Horse and foal. What is the relation is? Younger one of horse. Younger one of horse. We call it as what? Foal. What about the younger one of goat? Younger one of goat is kid. Younger one of camel is caves. So this is the correct one. Choice 2. Younger one of donkey is also foal. Okay. Younger one of elephant is calf. Okay. Choice 2. Select the option in which the numbers are related in the same way as are the numbers of the following set. So let us first identify the logic in this one. It is quite simple. 5 8s are 40. 44, 5 8s are 40. 44s are 160. So 5 into 8 is 40. And this 40 into 4 is 160. Product of the first two numbers and 4 is added and that number is again multiplied with 4. So 4 9s are 36. 36 4s are the unit digit has to be 4. So not the first option. 5 6 are 20. 24s are 80. So not the second option. 3 9s are 27. 27 4s are 108. So it is perfectly matching. 3 into 9 is 27. Product of the first two digits is 27. And this 27 is multiplied by 4, which we get 108. So this is the correct answer. Here 2 4s are 8. 2 into 4 8. And 8 4s are 32. But it is given 40. So choice 3 is our answer. Now question number 10. Select the option figure in which the given figure is embedded. Rotation is not allowed. So the same figure as it is where it is inscribed or where it is embedded, we have to look at. And the rotation clearly mentioned rotation is not allowed. So the same shape it has to be. So where we have that? Do we have in the first option? We have jet. We have jet. But with respect to jet, we require these two lines also. It is not there in the first option. Do we have in the second option? We have jet, and also the line, also the line. So it is matching with the second option. So choice 2 is my answer. Why should I go for other options? Time waste. Choice 2 is my answer. And even here also you can find the same Z and that symbol. Lines, two lines. In either place, either here or here. Okay? Next. Select the Venn diagram that best illustrates the relation between the following classes. English, Hindi and language. English and Hindi are different languages. And these two are the part of languages. So these two should be separate and these two should come inside this. So choice 3 is matching. So these two are separate and these two comes into the language. So English, Hindi and language. Choice 3. Fine. Next, select the correct mirror image of the given combination when the mirror is placed at xy as shown below. So here, so what will happen in the mirror image? The elements which are closest to the mirror will appear closest to the mirror, and far away from the mirror will appear far away from the mirror. So closest to the mirror is T. So in the mirror image also it will be closest. So T will be first. S. So S mirror image will be like this. E mirror image will be like this. G mirror image will be like this. R mirror image will be like this. A, L. What is the main rule for mirror image? Left side element will shift to right side element will shift to left side, whereas horizontal line and vertical lines will remain same. Just left will move to right, right will move to left, top and bottom will remain same. And horizontal lines and vertical lines will remain same. So look at here, R. So this vertical line remains same. So this is moving towards right, this circle. So towards left side. And this is moving towards right with respect to this line. So it should move towards left. That's it. Okay. Choice 1. Letter series. Select the letter cluster from among the given options that can replace the question mark in the following series. Here we'll check the logic from first letter to first letter, which is a basic rule. Second letter to second letter, third to third, fourth to fourth, and so on. Let's see here. The same one we have taken here. First letter to first letter, second to second, third to third, and fourth to fourth. Identify the logic. H place value is 8, G is 7, F is 6, E is 5. So what is happening here? 8 to 7 minus 1, 7 to 6 minus 1, 6 to 5 minus 1. So 5 minus 1 will be 4, D. How many options are with D? All the options. Okay. A's place value is 1, C's place value is 3, E's place value is 5, G is 7. What is the logic here? Plus 2, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. So 7 plus 2, 9, which will be I. How many options are with DI? 1 and 3. So 2 and 4 are ruled out. Next, L is 12, I is 9, F is 6, C is 3. So what is the logic is? Minus 3, 12 minus 3, 9. 9 minus 3, 6. 6 minus 3, 3. So 3 minus 3 is 26. 0 or 26. So which is that letter? Z. So that is choice 1. Now we will check with the fourth letter also. So though we got the option, we will check the fourth letter. F place value is 6, J is 10, N is 14, R is 18. So 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 4, 14, 14 plus 4, 18, 18 plus 4, 22, which is V. So perfectly matching D, I, Z, V. So first letter to first letter logic is minus 1. Second to second logic is plus 2. Third letter to third letter logic is minus 3. Fourth letter to fourth letter logic is plus 4. Minus 1, plus 2, minus 3, plus 4. Choice 4. How many triangles are there in the given figure? Let us represent the given areas with the alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. It's a simple way to answer the questions. How many triangles are there in the figures? Let us first identify the individual triangles. Individual. Combination of only one. So A is a triangle, B is a triangle, C is a triangle, D is a triangle, E is a triangle, F, G is also triangle, H is also triangle, I is also triangle, J is also triangle. Individual triangles. Now the combination of two. Combination of two. Combination of two. AB is a one triangle. CD is one triangle. D is also one triangle. EF is also one triangle. CF is also one triangle. And even GH is also one triangle. Combination of two. IF cannot be the triangle. So this is in this shape. So it is not a triangle. So combination of 2 is over. Now let's check the combination of 3. So this part is completely done. This triangle part is completely done. Square part is completely done. And even this triangle part is also completely done. So combination of 1, combination 2 is over. And this part is also completely done. So we have to go for combination of 3, combination of 4, and so on. So is there any combination of 3? Yes. So this one will be the combination of 3. So combination of 3 will be what? G plus H plus I. Is there anything else? Combination of 3? No. So we can go ahead with combination of 4 also. You can go ahead with combination of 4 also. What is the combination of 4? Combination of 4. Do we have anything? Combination of 4? Let's check it. Look at this. It is not the combination of 4, but combination of 5. Combination of 4 is 0. Combination of 5. D plus E plus G plus H plus I. Combination of 6 elements. Can we add any? Can we find that? No. So individually completed and combination of these two diagrams is completed. Combination of these two is completed. Do we have any combination of these two? No. So totally here 10 and here we have 6, 1 and 1. Totally 18. Choice 3. The same one we can also answer in the another way. I'll tell you that. Shortcut. If the triangle is given and vertical line is given from the one vertex to the middle of the other side, then it will give you 3 triangles. Just give the numbering. Triangle 1, triangle 2. So this 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So this triangle will give you 3. Even this triangle will give you 3. 3. This triangle will give you 3. Okay. In a square box, if we have the 2 diagonals, simple logic. Number of sides in the triangle is 4 and number of diagonals are 2. So 4 into 2, 8 triangles it will give you. All these shortcuts will be discussed in the classes. Okay, so 8, 3. Now these are the individual triangles, 1 and 1. No, so individually all are completed. Now the combination. So the combination of this is one triangle and combination of this is one triangle. So totally 8 plus 3, 11 plus 3, 14, 15, 16. This one is 17 and this bigger one is 18. So totally 18, choice 3. Okay, either way you can solve. You may get the doubt, sir, if the triangle is given, if the 2 lines are given, very simple, yeah. 1, 2, 3 triangles. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 total, you will get 6 triangles. Okay, so shortcuts will be discussed in the sessions, classes. 15th one, select the figure among the given options that can replace the question mark in the following series. Okay. We have a symbol like sun. Here it is unshaded, here it is shaded, here is unshaded. But it is moving by one side. Top left, top right, bottom right. Next should be bottom left. So first option and fourth option are ruled out. So among these two, one will be correct answer. Okay. This arrow is shaded part, shaded part, shaded part. Here it is unshaded. So my answer will be choice 2. But still we discuss. It is showing towards north, it is showing towards west, it is showing towards south, means 90 degrees anti-clockwise. 90 degrees anti-clockwise. By applying the same logic, 90 degrees anti-clockwise, south to, it will move towards east. I mean, this direction will be towards, arrow will be pointing towards east. Choice 2. 4 number pairs have been given, out of which 3 are alike in some manner and 1 is different. Find the number pair that is different. Odd me out question. I'll give you the logic directly. Sum of the digits. 2 plus 3 is 5. First 2 digit sum is first digit here. 6 plus 3 is 9. 5 plus 4 is 9. Let me give the numbering 1, 2, 3. So the digits in 1, the digits in 2, the digits in 3. Next check it here. 6 plus 2, 8. 5 plus 1, 6. 4 plus 3, 7. Same logic. 8 plus 3, 11. No. 5 plus 2, 7. 4 plus 1, 5. 3 plus 5, 8. Perfectly matching. In all these 3 options, the logic is same. Sum of the first two digits is first digit in the right side number. Next two digits, third and fourth digits is second digit in the right side number. Fifth and sixth digits are sum of the fifth and sixth digits is third number in the right side. It follows in all the options except in third option. So third one is the odd man out. Choice 3. No, letter sequence. So the combination of letters that when sequentially placed in the blanks of the given series will complete the series. See, this kind of questions we can go through only through the options where it follows some trend. The trend has to be observed by us. By substituting the choices, you will get some repetitive sequence. It will follow some trend. We need to identify the trend. Now the same one I have taken here. Let us substitute the first option. Can you see any trend? Let's see. L, N, V, L, N, X. First of all, identify the total number of letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So total number of letters, 25. Okay. How many different letters? How many different letters we have? This how we need to answer this kind of questions. 5 different letters are 5. L, V, N, C, X. These are the 5 letters. So divide into the small clusters, small groups. Divide into the small groups. So different letters are 5. Total number of letters are 5 means group of 5, 5. So first group, second group, third group, fifth group, fourth group, and fifth group. Group 1, Group 2, Group 3, Group 4, and Group 5. Let us look for the trend. LLNCX, LVNCX, VVNCL, LVNNX, LVXCX. Can you see any trend? No. So it is not my first option. So let's substitute the second option. Let's substitute the second option. What is the second option? C, N, L, X, L, V. LCNCX, LVNCX, LVNCX. Okay, here it is following the trend. LVNCX, LVNCX, but here it is not. LVNIX, LVVCX. Even it is not following the trend, so not the second option. Let's see the third one. What is the third one is? V, N, L, X, C, N. Let's check the one. LVNCX, LVNCX following the trend. LVNCX following the trend. LVNCX following the trend. LVNCX following the trend. So what is the trend that followed? LVNCX. So by substituting the choice 3, it is following the proper trend. Choice 3 is our answer. Identify the total number of letters, identify the different number of letters, and divide them into the smaller groups. Then substitute the choices, you will find the trend. Now, select the option that is related to the third number in the same way as the second number is related to the first number. How the second number is related to the first number? Simple. 4, 6 are 24. So 2, 3 are 6. Choice 1. You may get the doubt. So directly, why are we looking for product of the digits? After applying all the logics, we'll come across this. So how the order, how we have to check the order, and everything will be discussed in the classes. Okay. 4 into 6 is equal to 24. Similarly, 2 into 3 is equal to 6. The sum of the three numbers is 360. The second number is 3 times the first number, and the third number is twice the first number. What will be the average of 3 numbers? When you read this question, generally you get the doubt like first number, second number, third number. So second number is 3 times the first number, so 3x, x, and the third number is twice the first number, 2x. So sum of these will be equal to 360. So x will be equal to 60. This is generally what you do, 60, 180 and 120. But not required here. What is actually given? Sum of the numbers is given and asking for what? Average of the numbers. Sum of how many numbers? 3 numbers. How we identify the average? Sum by total by different number of elements. Different number. How many numbers are there? So sum of the numbers are 360 and how many numbers? 3. So the average will be equal to how much? 120. So without identifying all these things also you can identify the average. Choice 1. The sequence of folding a piece of paper and the manner in which the folded paper has been cut is shown in the figures. How would this paper look when unfolded? Yes, we'll see. We have this part finally. Let me draw the diagram. We have this part. Here we have one cut. Here we have one cut. Here we have another cut. And here we have another cut. And it is earlier, it is closed like this. So we should open like this now. So if you open like this, what will happen? So here also you will get the same shape, right? So this square, it will appear, it will look like this, and this will look like this, and this will be like, and this cut will be here, and here it is closed like this. So we have to open like this. So if you open like this, here you will get the another semicircle. No, so this shape will look like this. Earlier one is simple mirror image. Now the present one is what we are doing. I mean, here to here, what the way we are opening is called mirror image. The way we are opening this one is called water image. Simple. So the water image, which is on the bottom side, will come on the top of the edge. These two will come here. That's it. So how the diagram should look like this. The diagram should look like this, right? So here is a square and these are the 4 circles. Which option is matching with that? Fourth option. So choice 4. Oh, select the correct combination of mathematical signs that can sequentially replace the star signs and balance the given equation. Here we have to substitute the choices. We have to go through the choices. Now how it is given? These questions will be answered using the BODMAS rule. Okay, so the first preference will be given to the division. So we have like this 24, 6, 8, 8, 4. 8 divided by 8, 1. So 24 into 6 into 1 minus 4. So next will be multiplication. 24 into 6 is 144 minus 4 will be equal to how much? 140. But actually it is given equal to 50. So not the first option. So let us substitute the second option. What I will get? 24 into 6 divided by 8 plus 8 into 4 is equal to 50. Let's check this one. 6 divided by 8, what I will get? 2 by 3. Is it 3 by 3? No, 3 by 4. 3 by 4 plus 8 into 4 is equal to 50. Let's see. 4 6 are 6 3 are 18. 8 4 are 32 is equal to 50. 18 plus 32 is equal to 50. Yes, LHS is equal to RHS. So perfectly matching with what? By substituting the second option. First preference will be given to division and then will be given to multiplication. These two. First preference, second preference. Then will be given third preference to addition. BODMAS, brackets of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So choice 2. A cube is made folding the given sheet. In the cube so formed, which of the following pairs of letters would be opposite to each other? Right. So if you are trying to close the paper, if you close like this, U will be adjacent to Q. So you have to close these 2 times. This one has to be closed 2 times. So these two will become what? Opposite. These two will become opposite. So these two will become opposite. So T and U will become opposite. Now when you close this one, U and S are adjacent. U and S are adjacent. When you close this, P and RR will become adjacent. And from here to here, P2R, and if you close another one more time this way, S and R will become what? Opposite. So S and R are opposite, T and U are opposite. So what are the remaining? Q and S. So the Q and S will be what? Opposite. No, the question is also same. Which of the following pair of letters would be opposite to each other? Is the R and Q opposite each other? No. What are the pairs opposite each other? T and U, Q and S and R. So not this one. S and T? No. P and U? No. 1 minute. Sorry, not Q and S, Q and P. I'm sorry. No. R and S? Yes. So choice 4 will be our answer. Or else you can say that alternate faces will be always opposite to each other. Alternate faces will be opposite, always opposite to each other. Alternate faces. Okay? Always it is true. Alternate faces are opposite each other. Study the given pattern carefully and select the number that can replace the question mark in it. Simple question. 5 21s. 5 into 21 is equal to 105. 8 into 32 is equal to 256. So 4 into 62 is equal to how much? If option is not available, 4 into 62, then we'll think in a different way. 64 the 240, 4 to the 8, 248. Choice 1. 248. Product of these two, product of these two, product of these two. Generally, in this kind of questions, we have to identify how the bigger number is obtained from the smaller numbers. Okay. Next. In a certain code language, haircuts. What is the logic for haircuts? Let's see. What is the code given for haircuts? 8, 26, 1, 18, R is also 18, C is 3, U 6, T 20, S 19. If you look at H place value is 8, R place value is 18 according to the English alphabet, C's place value is 3, T's place value is 20, S place value is 19. But whereas A place value is 1, I place value is 9, U place value is 21. So what I can say here, for consonants, the place value is taken as it is. For consonants, place value is as is. Whereas for the vowels, opposite letter place value is taken. Opposite letter means what? First letter from the beginning, first letter from the end. A and Z are opposite. So Z place value is 26. Similarly, I is 9, R is 18. Or else, in the simple form, sum of the place values of opposite will be equal to, sum of opposite letters is equal to 27. So 1 plus 26, 27, 9 plus 18, 27, 21 plus 6, 27. So what is the logic for the vowels is? Opposite letter place value. Place value of opposite letter. Place value of opposite letter. Now, but is it in the same way here it is also coded? Let's check it. Salty. According to this, S place value should be 19. A should be 26. Opposite letter. L is 12. T is 20. Y is 25. Is it given same? 19, 26, 12, 20, 25. S. Now we need to identify the logic for danger. D's place value is 4. How many options are starting with 4? All. A opposite letter is Z. That is 26. 426. So not the first option, not the fourth option. Next, N place value. N is consonant. 14. So same. These three are same. Even these three are also same. Next, G is a consonant, 7. So here also same, here is also same. Next, E is oval. Opposite letter E place value is 5. So to get the 27, it has to be 22 to be added. So 5 plus 22, 22. So 22 here and here also it is 22. So still I can't find the answer. Next, R place value is 18. R is a consonant. So choice 3. So choice 2 is ruled out. If you want to check in, S is 19. 19. Choice 3. So consonants, the place value is taken as it is. For vowels, place value of opposite letter is taken. Choice 3 is our answer. Look at. Select the numbers among the given option that can replace the question mark in the following series. Number series questions. Now, if you look at 16 to the 32, 32 plus 3 is 35. 35 and 140 logic is into 4 times. 140, 145 is plus 5. So according to this, into 2 plus 3 into 4 plus 5. Next should be into 6. And after that, it should match with the plus 7. Then only our logic is correct. 146 is 840. 5 6 is 30. So 870. So 870 plus 7, 877. Perfectly matching. So what is the missing number? 870. Choice 1. And what is the logic is? Into 2 plus 3, into 4 plus 5, into 6 plus 7. Alternately multiplication, alternately addition. That's it about this test. Thank you. Have a great day.